This is how bad this paint is. Like what? Just started coming off up here too. Crazy. All right. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna show you how to make a foam sprayer. Hopefully it works. It'd be funny if it didn't. But anyway, turn your water off. That way you can take your nozzle off and have it fall apart. And get some water out of it. That way you can fit more soap in it. Whoop. Pour slowly. I've done this before and I know it works with just the nozzle. But this little trick that's modestly funny should make it way better. Okay, screw this on. Find a little spray bottle nozzle. Put that on. Make sure it's super tight or else it'll just blow off. That just wastes all your soap. Literally all of mine. And, well, I have to walk about a half mile to turn my water back on. Alright, 15 minutes later I'm back. Let's see if this works. Leaking a little bit. Working now. I'll take it. That's sick. I'm gonna do the stuff in the time lapse because it's boring. You know how to wash a car. Way better than I thought. I'm still trying to get this. I've been doing this for a while. Hopefully you can hear me. Oh well, I think it's time for B-roll. vibe? Or should I fix it, get it white again? Or try to get it all off and redo the blue? I don't know. Or should I do the whole thing this blue? That is a pretty cool blue. This is future me talking, and let me know down in the comments what you think. See you in the next video.